Yo, boss man, you not go vote.
Why you talk about vote, youth?
Yo, you're some frosted dog.
Right, you know, you come and upset my spirit in idea now, youth.
You need to vote for your country, dog.
Who in a power? Nobody in the shower.
Oh, yeah,
Shower. Me not see no money in a shower, and right now I'm broke.
You're hungry but too well alive. Go vote!
What right now, you know, youth. We poverty are rough, you know, youth. A grass me if you use for weed, you know, youth.
Dog, pick a bum for me.
Yo, see something, you know, Judge. See something.
You saw kind of thing this year.
Look on the house top, youth. Yes, sister, me can't put on no rough, youth. No rough, me can't put on, youth. Me tell you, say rough, me tell you.
You talk about window, yo.
You see me at
this whole lighting up, man.
This whole lighting up. You right up on a boat. I want to reach in a yacht. On a boat. We go cross, go Cuba. Cuba kind of better than yard.
Yeah, you're so Fidel dead there.
Fidel dead, not best thing that.
No,
that's what means that we can't go.
Legacy, legacy where your man left behind.
Listen, man, we can't go for no chum tech. Everything you can fuck up the country. You
yeah, idiot, man. We can't get visa.
You
have to know somebody, though.
Yeah, you have a link. If you have a link, tell me upon the link now.
Here are the thing. The link supposed to have a friend star, you see. But here are the thing about the link. She kinda.
Right now,
she kinda plummy, dog.
She plummy?
Yeah, man. Nice and chunky.
Yo, it's like you talk about a girl and me talk about for left your youth.
So another kind of thing, dog, I got married and run.
First, you know, dog. You know, my landlord can tell me.
Dog, what kind of room that?
Yeah, you know, some cherry or some
cherry. No, man, that too sweet to be cherry rum.
But you know, dog. I'm not hear me say about my landlord still. She call me for rent, youth. You know, me
get Benny over, man, and give her rent money.
Nah, man, me give her rent. A whole heap of go suck her mother. That she get, man. She know
you know, say I'm sitting there, by the way. That bush you even see if you smoke.
I'm in that business now, because from morning me a smoke bush in there.
Don't wonder why you're first say I come give me foolishness. Supposed to make me drop down and touch
you better, yo. Landlords who come in, me tell say you have a rent in a car, me broke.
Oh,
yeah.
Skills?
Yeah.
You need for God a doctor. And you have 2 kidneys. Them a sell them dear. You probably can sell somebody for your 250.
Let me ask you a question. When you come to the gate, see? When you come up in the shed, you pass one sign say meet shop.
Oh, you want money done.
Alright.
And me, I come tell to have money, go sell a back road. And loan me, I tell you, I cut left you now. And see it there? So like your landlord, I come.
Yeah, but vote. Run away! But no voting, no vote right now. I go and sit back right now and go and sip on there. Cherry.